What's up everyone, welcome to Double Down Sunday. In this video we'll be drawing Luka Doncic from the Dallas Mavericks. Now we're going to get started in the center of our page and draw on the eyes. So let's start on the left side and draw in a circle, starting from the very top, work our way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center and draw the same size circle on the right side. So I'm going to line up the top of the circle, come in, round out the eye, and go back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, we'll draw that circle. Coming in, and then back out. We'll line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now we're going to draw that same size circle in the center of the eye for the pupil, but we're going to go in behind the highlight. So start at the very bottom, come down, up, and then back out. Do the same thing on the right side. Let's fill the pupils in black. Let's move to the center and draw on the nose. We're going to start by lining up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center, and we'll start on the left side. We're going to curve down, and then bend the nose going up towards the right. Now I'm going to step up and draw a short curve in the opposite direction for the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw on the mouth. I'm going to start back over on the left, curve down, and then up, and we'll step down and draw a short curve for the lower lip. Let's go back up and draw on the eyebrows. We're going to start over on the left side, curve up above the eye, and just pull that in. So line this up on the right, going up, and then down. Let's thicken up the eyebrows. We're going to go back to the outside, go a little bit higher in the middle, just pull that down on the inside. And then we'll move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. Starting from the outside of the left eye, we're going to step out, draw a large half circle. Come down, round out the chin, go up on the right, toward the side of the head. Now from here we're going to draw the inside edge of the hairline. Starting back on the left, go straight up, and then bend that in just on top of the eyebrow. And then from here, we'll draw a straight line going up towards the top. Now we're going to connect the top with a curve that comes down the middle, but halfway we're going to add a curl. So let's start back on the left, curve down, and then in towards the middle. I'm just going to curl the hair coming down and over towards the left. Then just taper that back up towards the top. And then we'll continue that curve going out and up on the right. Let's go back over towards the left side and brush the hair going out towards the right. So we start from this point. Just going to bend this out and then up. I'm just going to taper that down with a short line. Let's go up to the top of the head, going up and over in the middle. Just taper that back out and then down. Let's continue working over towards the right. Starting from this point, we go out and just bend that down on the side. Again, we're just going to taper that back up to create a point. I'm just going to bring this down towards the right side of the head. We go out, down, and then in. Let's move back and draw the left side of the hair. Starting off on the top, curve up, and then down. I'm just going to taper that back in with a short line. Go out, down, and then in towards the side of the head. And we'll add the ears along the side. Starting from the bottom of the hair, we're going to step up, curve the ear going up, round out the ear, and then pull that in towards the side of the head. And then we'll add some detail inside the ears. Starting at the bottom of the hair, curve up and out with a short line. And we'll go back to the inside and draw a hook, going out and then pulling that back in. Now he's got a little bit of a goatee along the bottom of the chin. So we're going to start over on the left side. It's going to curve down in the middle, just up above the chin. Pull that back up on the right. And then from the ends, we'll curve down and then out towards the bottom of the head. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Move over towards the right, go out, and down towards the same height. And we'll close off the bottom, starting back on the left, come down the middle, and back up on the right. Now let's add some detail to the jersey. We're going to start with the stripes coming down the side. Starting from the top of the body, we're going to step in. Just going to come down. I'm just going to bend that out about halfway down the side of the body. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing. Coming straight down and then bending that out. And we'll move back to the center and draw on the collar. Right underneath the chin in the middle, start with a point. From here we'll curve up and out towards the left. And go up and out towards the right. And then we'll add the number 77 in the center of the body. Leaving a gap in the middle, draw two lines. One going out toward the left, and one towards the right. And then from the right side, angle down towards the bottom. And then go up to the top left, draw a short line coming down on both sides. Flatten off the bottom. And then we'll go back up with a short line. And then we'll trace the rest of the 7 along the inside. Coming in, draw that angle line going all the way down towards the bottom. And then we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to continue working down with the legs. In the center, we'll step down, draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Now leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the left leg going out and down towards the heel, move over towards right, and go in the opposite direction. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We'll start from the heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up towards the toe on both sides. Now we're going to go back to the left and draw on the top of the foot. Starting from the toe, we'll start by going up towards the top. Just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and we'll curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up, and then bending that down, and then curl that back up on the inside. Let's move back up to the hips and draw the outside of the shorts. We'll start from the left hip. We're going to draw a curve that goes out, aiming towards the toe. We're not going to go all the way. We're going to stop right about there. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll round out the bottom of the shorts. Starting back on the left, curve down, and then up. And then from the outside corner of the shorts, we're going to step in, curve the leg going out and down on top of the feet. Let's add 2 curves just up above the foot. We're going to step up, start with the first curve, going down and then up. This is for the edge of the sock on both sides. And then we'll step up and draw that same curve, the bottom edge of the leggings. And then we'll add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and then just trace that across. Let's move back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start with the arm on the left. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, curve the arm going out and down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we'll draw a small half circle for the thumb. At the end of the thumb, we'll add a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, come down, spin the finger going up around that bracket, and we'll add 2 more fingers. Stepping down, and up the second finger. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, round up the arm, and then pull that up just beside the top of the body. And then the arm on the right is going to be holding the basketball. So let's start by drawing in a circle. Starting from the top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. And then we'll add the lines of the basketball. Starting at the very top, we'll draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go to the left side and draw a straight line going out towards the right. And then we'll add 2 curves on either side. Starting on the top left, curve in, and bend that back out. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now the arm is going to come down in behind the basketball. So start from the top of the body, step up, curve the arm coming down and then out. And then halfway down the side of the body, curve the bottom of the arm coming down, and then out in behind the ball. I'm also going to add the top of the arm sleeve, starting from the inside of the arm, curve up, and then out. And then we'll draw the tip of the thumb and 3 fingers on the outside of the ball. Let's start at the very top right, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Now I'm going to leave a gap and draw 3 small half circles right beside each other. And that's pretty much it. There's Luka Doncic from the Dallas Mavericks. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.